Hi friends, welcome to Shorthand Hub channel. This is Harinaganand Idumudi Shorthand instructor. I am conducting both online and offline classes to the shorthand students for lower, higher and high speeds and also for learners. For the shorthand students, I am offering general and legal dictations. These will crack you to shorthand skills. Those who want to join the Telegram group can join through the link given in the description box. The shorthand dictations which I offer 80 and 100 are helpful for competitive examinations such as SBTET, SSC Stenographer Grade C and D and other competitive exams. So everyone can write these passages. Apart from this, I am also providing 120, 150 and legal dictations. Dictation passages will be given in description box. Post our links on your social networking platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, etc. etc. I am providing passages like Kailash Chandra to SSC students. Get ready for the dictation. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. The Chief Minister has advised the authorities to be alert and avoid loss of life and property in the heavy rains and floods across the total state. He reviewed the flood situation in various districts with collectors and other officials in online mode from his official residence. He asked the collectors to be alert as heavy to very heavy rain was estimated. The Chief Minister said that the people should be alerted based on the forecast on rains and floods from the concerned department. Plan in advance to ensure that there is no loss of life and property. He further said in the said meeting, the normal rainfall so far this year was 185 mm and 244 mm, while 31% additional rainfall has been recorded across the state. He noted that 13 cm rainfall was recorded in some places. There should be continuous monitoring of the flow into pond banks and stream bunds. The said banks were weakened due to illegal mining of sand and soil in recent years. The Chief Minister advised officials of the irrigation and revenue departments to work hand in hand and make decisions as per the flood manual. The concerned collectors and other officials of the respective departments were participated in the conference. Finance Minister of the Government of India would present 6th Union Budget on July 23, becoming only the third person to achieve this feat after few members. She would be the only finance minister to hold this office for 6 years without a break. While this budget would set a milestone in the career of her, it is also expected to be widely different from the budgets presented by the present government in the last 10 years. Though the Prime Minister wants to brush aside the impact of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, most economists expect the 2024 budget would be clearly different. The election results have shown fault lines in the BJP vote bank, especially among jobless youth. The budget, therefore, is expected to focus on generating jobs, investing in skill development, and expanding the social security net. One of the leading party whose support is crucial for the BJP to be in power could use pressure on handing out large sums of money, close to 1 lakh crore by some estimates, to build the new state capital in the concerned state. Similarly, the BJP could be under pressure from its leaders from other states to allocate some funds ahead of the assembly elections in October 2024. The sister concerned party could expect some financial support to Bihar, one of the big and backward states in the country. Going by the President's speech, the Indian industry expects a big push for agro-based industries, dairy and fishery-based industries. As part of its agenda for green energy, the government could support fuel vehicles, solar power for houses, etc. One of the biggest demands of the middle class, considered to be the biggest supporter of the BJP, has always been an increase in income tax concessions. However, it is unlikely that the finance minister would have enough space to balance between the aspiration of the middle classes and the hard reality of fiscal deficit. She could at best increase the income tax entry under the new tax regime, which doesn't enjoy the benefits of various tax saving avenues. The National Testing Agency on Saturday announced the center and city wise results for medical entrance exam, which is under the scanner over alleged irregularities. The results, which were initially announced on June 5, have been published in this format following an order of Supreme Court, which is hearing several petitions about the alleged irregularities in the conduct of the exam, including paper leak. The exam was conducted on May 5 at 4,750 centers in 571 cities, including 14 cities abroad, for more than 24 lakh candidates. The court had ordered that the results be announced while masking the identities of the aspirants, saying it wanted to ascertain whether candidates appearing at allegedly tainted centers secured more than those writing the exam elsewhere. The top court will resume hearing the arguments on July 22 on a batch of pleas seeking cancellation, retest, and a court monitored probe into the allegations of malpractice in the prestigious exam. 9 women, including 5 other town in Tamil Nadu and 16 female employees of the different state, faded due to an alleged gas leak in a private fish processing plant on Friday. The private fish processing and exporting company is located in Chennai, where more than 500 women from different parts of Tamil Nadu and other states work. In this case, gas cylinder exploded due to an electrical accident in the plant, due to which gas spread throughout the fish processing plant. 5 women of Tamil Nadu and 16 women from other states who were working there faded. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. I am conducting both online and offline classes to the shorthand students for lower, higher and high speed, and also for learners. Those who want to join the Telegram group can join through the link given in the description box. Thank you.